So this video is going to show how we install our new Schmidt G3 trigger assembly with abrasive cutoff in conjunction with our BAABS G3 swivel strap assembly. This assembly is designed to mount the G3 triggers directly onto your blast hose. The assembly itself contains reusable swivel straps. So some points to note here: when you're installing the base onto your hose with the swivel straps, you will notice that there are two alignment bars on this that need to correlate with the recesses in the mount rail itself. So whenever I insert the strap, I'm going to go around the hose and engage, and I'm going to ensure that those alignment pins are in that groove. So the swivel strap moves in conjunction with the base. You'll want to alternate the direction in which you start the swivel straps, and again, making sure that they are aligned in the base. So all three of my straps are alternating, and I've made sure that those alignment pins, alignment bars, are in those grooves on the inside of the base. At this point, if you so desire, you can take these tabs and bend those over and run into the body, or you can decide to take them off if you so desire. So once you've completed putting the base on with the swivel straps, mounting the G3 trigger assembly is very simple. This locking bolt will be backed out. You'll slide it up on the rails until your marks here align with one another. Once that's in alignment, simply snug down your bolt, and the G3 can no longer slide forwards and backwards. But the best feature of this is it can still swivel. That swivel feature allows you to keep your dead man in a comfortable position during the blasting process. So at this point, I simply need to reconnect my hoses. My black hose is going to go on the very bottom. My green hose will go into the center port. And of course, my orange line, which is 1/4 inch, will go up to the top port. You'll want to address your hoses by reconfiguring those down the line, but I believe you understand what I'm talking about. So now that operator has a swivel function to keep his hand in a comfortable position. He has the on-off that his dead man offers, and without removing a hand from the blast hose, he has the selector switch for his abrasive on or his abrasive off. So not only is it more comfortable for the operator, he doesn't have to remove a hand in order to find the old switch that was somewhere back on his twin line. Much more comfortable, much safer system.